I hate to agree with the schizophrenic, but you know.
Oh, what's going on there? Someone is stuck in the middle of the intersection.
They lived. Have they? I don't pay attention to that.
Oh my God!
Where I live. Shouldn't have to hide in a bunker to stay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Propagate lies. I continue to have to take.
Oh my God.
The feds did not take a liking to this and raided him on April 4th, which is where he has like crazy manifesto nonsense. They take pictures of the guns. I don't know what this one is.
Thank you.
Get your communion wafer, you don't get the water and the wine, you get the old stuff. His father, though, Josh, is a St. Louis Cardinals fan.
How about that?
Yeah.
God,
Of course, I guess his mom was a Cubs fan.
Was he a Cardinals fan after his son became a Cardinal?
I don't know the timing.
Late to the game?
I don't know the timing on that, and I don't know if
we're going to do a little audio swap on that one with Kirsche. That might just be my Kirsche clip.
Of course.
And we have to go over a couple of, you guys missed a couple key.
Target. He also said law enforcement believed the suspect acted alone.
You didn't even look. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
I need to save that.
And again, I don't want to call this guy obviously a fetish for him, and he doesn't actually have this. Let's get back to this degenerate freak. Holy shit. Oh god. Not playing any more of those videos because they were disturbing beyond belief.
Now listen,
Whoa.
I'm going to talk a lot about peanut butter.
Little white there.
It's an important subject, but I need to address something up top. It's been a rough year for Jip, okay? That I'm sure you'll remember. I was part of the team that launched the first low salt, low sugar peanut butter into the category. It was called Simply Jif. It was targeted towards diabetics. I wanted to call it Type 2 Peanut Goo. I don't
know, I might make that one the title.
For crunchy as we did for creamy, which, if you think about it,
The Java House, the official coffee of the Bob and Tom Show. Notice we
just
made
married.
The poster,
I can use the killing slime clip again.
I was coming in.
Forget that. I hope you get divorced next week.
85.
So good.
Those were basically just a triangle at one point, and now they
Yeah,
look
all
a
about
little bit more
you.
tree-like. Yeah, sort of grooves and called
Yeah,
a roulade.
all about you as
And that's
well,
basically
isn't it?
like a larger version of a Swiss roll. It could be meat and bread. It's got that same look to it, like a big giant pastry or roll.
That
you
might
cut
just
into
be the
slices, and then
YouTube
they sort of make a
thumbnail.
Miniature version of it. Then I'm in this hay bale, and this guy comes up. He goes, "They're getting ready to shoot the pumpkin." I don't know what that means, but I mean, it sounds. The very loose definition. From what I can tell, rice pilaf is rice with
all about
else
you.
you want to put in it. Anything. You know, sometimes you
Delivering
drop your
any
phone in
Greg
the toilet
Ward
and you gotta put it
CDs?
in rice to dry it out. I know that. Like, you say what you want about the farmers,
Yeah.
they work.
Sure hope Red Truck doesn't need to move anytime
Just look
soon.
at what they make their kids do. You ever heard a farm kid talk about his chores?
EOD crawl to across the street.
The family's fault. The stakes are high over there, man.
Oh, thank you, YouTube, for the commercial. Come on, YouTube.
As long as I'm paying
Oh,
you
so
this rate,
he's
I want to retire. This is it.
going to do the EOD crawl. He's going to do the EOD crawl all the way down the road and not just across the street.
I ran a half marathon, and I posted, congrats. She ran 13 miles. And I
Oh,
was
he's
too
going to
lazy
the
run
center
it.
turn lane for whatever reason. Okay, dude.
But the laziness is
Instead of parking in the center turn lane to finish out your break,
problems. I got some
you could have parked in that lot over there.
fasciitis.
In fact, that's what you should have done.
But to accuse somebody of stealing somebody else's story over wrestling, bro, This is why Sean Sapp is a freaking mark, bro. I say it again and again and again. Just saying how pros act. How in God's name are you ever going to prove that Chris didn't have that conversation with somebody in the WWE? Never in a million years will you be able to prove that. Just because the coach said it doesn't mean that Chris couldn't have had a private conversation.
But he still said that he saw, and again, he never reached out to me either. I had a very, very difficult upbringing that I think 99.9% of the people attacking me would not have survived through. And it's like, I don't like playing a victim card because I don't see myself as a victim. I see myself as having lived through difficult situations. Pride feels different this year.
What the hell is this spicy cat raid?
There's a heaviness that's hard to ignore, and the political climate has cast a long shadow.
Lane's going to end here soon. Could have been doing the speed limit in the first place.
I don't know, 540 weeks sounded like for the position that he's in.
Nice little streamer right there.
Being Fireball hat is when he's withdrawing money to buy the Buick and electric bike. How did he get a
Why
car
use
in
a sidewalk?
2,200? I thought he was just a regular auto, but I guess they're bringing in the early. What the? He has been on Twitter since 2022, in which he has openly discussed his politics and his inclination.
This is the first time I have a puppet featured.
Oh, yeah.
This is my debut puppet.
You know
what?
what?
Yeah.
You know what? And it really looks like you.
Yeah,
and
looks
I don't
just
know,
like me.
And I don't know how they did it, but it sure does.
These are pictures of our real
Doesn't
puppets.
that look like Jess, the puppet?
Yeah. On the side of the road already. In the road already.
The picture of scissors. No. You cut it. I'm not.
Little piece of spaghetti right in the middle of the road there.
You can hire a couple of
It's going to be
cutters up
spaghetti
there.
week again, I hope.
In the donut stick that he just tried, and Nutty Buddy bringing up the rear. Tim, how would you rearrange these?
Yes, Tim, thoughts? I have no problem with the top.
Golly, all about you, huh?
Quoted for all these years, now we don't have to deal with those damn girls anymore.
Oh, Johnny Jaguaritis.
Bro, look at this. He made it. He made his deal with Janelle Grant's team.
If these guys ever get a hold of Brett.
Blades first is a great way to ruin those pairs.
All new paint splatter.
Udafik, thank you for the 5 gift members. Thank you. Yes.
Oddball.
True.
Paint.
True and real. Thank you, Dan Van. And it's like, if this had stopped here and he didn't go to that No Kings protest, he probably would have gone on. Investigation is active and ongoing.
Goes from yellow to white now.
Declined to comment. On June 24th.
Somebody finally shut the valve off.
Okay, this has nothing to do with it. There's nothing to do with it. Oh, he's in an overpass.
Yeah, I've gotten that paint before, but it'll...
He's hitting all the kids, isn't he? Yeah. Gives flashbacks to Nick Bates. Oh, Jesus.
More paint still.
Oh, Jesus. FBI expands novel internet safety campaign by employing new cartoons.